Guys, welcome to another fantastic video. Have you been looking for a way to make money online? Let's say you have an audience or a website where you have good amount of audience and you have been looking for a way to monetize it. Then look no further. I have bring to you guys this platform called Monetag. With this platform, you can monetize every single type of traffic you have, either on a website or on your social media traffic. So you can monetize all of those things using Monetag. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it with a website, but trust me, you can also do it your social media and so many other stuff. Okay, so look at here, they have so many solutions. Just like I told you, they have Telegram mini apps, there's social traffic, there's multi-tag, there's a lot of stuff. So I know you might not really understand all of this that I just explained, but it's simple. So all you just need to do is to click in the link I have in the description box below, or you come to Google search and search for Monetag. So you can come to Google search and search for Monetag. Now once you search for Monetag, it's going to take you to the link where exactly this is it, Monetag for publishers. Then you just click on it and sign up the proper way you need to sign up. So that's exactly what I want to show you guys. Okay, so if you come to the website, this is exactly what their website looks like. So all you just need to do is to go ahead and sign up. Okay, so their sign up process is pretty much simple. You're going to enter all the information you need for you to create your account. So you can create your account using email, Gmail, Google Mail directly, or you enter your email manually. So this is everything you need to do, and they actually require you to do some verification. So you're going to do some ID verification just to make sure you really own the account. So you can do that verification using your passport or some other verification document. Now after you've signed up and everything, then you're going to be brought straight to this dashboard. So this is what the dashboard looks like. So this one thing I like about Monetag is they actually have a very good CPM or RPM. So that means you actually be getting a lot of value when ads are placed on your website. Okay, so if I go to sites right now, let me tell you something. If I go to sites, you can see I have two websites that are already verified on Monetag. So if you want to add your website, it's very much easy. You just click on add a site, and right now you just need to add the URL of your website. Now after adding the URL of your website, they are going to give you instructions on how you can go ahead to verify you on the site, and they start placing those ads on the website. So I'm not going to show you exactly how to do it step by step because I don't have any site to add right now. I've added the sites that I own personally. So if you want to do that, it's simple. Once you've added the link, you go ahead to click on this ad site, then they will show you exactly how to do that. Now if you have any question, drop it in the comment section and I'll give you prompt reply as soon as I see the question. Okay, so once you've added your site and everything, then and they have verified your site, then you are going to start showing ads on the website. So I want to show you some other stuff. So once they've started, if you go to earnings right now, so you can see that for now I don't have any earnings, and that's because some of my website on the Monetag stuff have expired, so I need to renew those websites. So but once your website is active and your stuff is active, you're going to be seeing all your earnings right here. But if you look at this play, you see that I have a balance here, $10 balance here. So this is actually a very fantastic way to earn some money. Now I want to show you some other stuff. Okay, so if I come to this payment method here, so Monetag can pay you using different methods. So they can pay you with PayPal, they can pay you with Skrill, they can pay you with Payoneer, and they can pay you with cryptocurrency. So these are the various ways they pay. Okay, so with PayPal you have a minimum payout of $5. Skrill, you have a minimum payout of $5. Payoneer, you have a minimum payout of $20, and they can also pay with cryptocurrency like I told you. So these are the ones I've connected, and as you can see, so I'm currently waiting for this payment of $10 to be made very soon during the next payment cycle. Okay, so this is Monetag, and it's actually a beautiful way for you to monetize your traffic either on a website or social media. Wherever you have genuine traffic that you really want to monetize and start making money from, try out Monetag. They actually have good and high CPM and RPM that you can actually use for those monetization. So another good way to earn is through referral program. So you can actually refer people to the platform, and when they sign up using your link and they start monetizing their traffic, you are going to be earning some percentage from, as you can see, you earn 5% from all the referral revenue your the person you refer generates. So that's actually a very fantastic way to make money. So if you have any question, I'll be in the comment section. So make sure to try out this platform, Monetag, and you're going to start making money with it, okay, easily. So like I said, this is actually a very simple, direct stuff. I don't need to talk a lot about stuff about the platform. I already had several videos on the platform that actually talks about Monetag, so you can go ahead, watch the video, and start making money for yourself. So this is the only ad platform that I normally do recommend to people that are looking for a way to monetize their traffic. Monetag is the best way, and it's something I've personally been using for my website, and I've made money from, and I've also withdrawn money from the platform as well. So if you want to confirm if what I'm telling you is true, let me go ahead now to show you what my revenue is and how I've been able to withdraw from this platform. So as you can see here, this is some of the earnings that I have had on the platform a few years ago. As you can see, I've had $17 different dollar per day. These are daily stuff. So actually a very fantastic platform. So personally myself, I have been using it, and it's been amazing because it's something I've been using myself. So as you can see, I've withdrawn more than $200 from the platform using the platform. So go ahead, register, and start using the platform to monetize your traffic. Monetag, a very, very fantastic way to earn money from your website traffic or any other traffic you have. So as you can see here, this $10 that I have here, you can see it says funds you earn during June can be withdrawn on July 31st via PayPal. The minimum withdrawal is $5. I've added my PayPal, don't forget. So on the 35th of July this month, I'm gonna be getting this funds, this $10 right into my account. So because the minimum for PayPal withdrawal is actually $5 USD. So this is a very fantastic way. As you can see, no money is even currently on hold. That's because my website's expired, like I told you. So once I start renew it and start showing ads again, I start earning again. So very easy. Now if you encounter any problem while creating your account or while setting up your website, that's what I'm here for. Tell me in the comments, and I'll be there to help you, show you what you need to do. Or if you have any questions, you can ask me, or you can also come to the platform, come to this Monetag platform, and ask your question. If you can go to their maybe you want to speak with somebody, you can send them an email, and they can go ahead to respond to you. And that's you can actually find if you come to this help center. Of course, if I come to this help center, let me show you something. If you come to this help center, you are going to find some of their help details. So this is where you can read some of the articles. Exactly. Now don't forget, I told you if you want to link your website, so you can actually get some of those information right here from their help center. So yes, from the help center you get a lot of info. And if you don't, if you didn't get the information you're looking at, just look at their email address here. You can send an email to this email address. So you can send an email to this email address, and that way they can go ahead to help you. So very easy, very fantastic platform. So I will employ you guys, or I would like you guys to go ahead, sign up, register, and start using this platform Monetag to earn for yourself. So that way you understand everything I just said. So thank you very much for watching. I'll be waiting for you guys in the comments, and I hope you guys sign up using the link in the description box below. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.